Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to send a disappearing photo in Telegram. So let us get in. Of course, you need to open your Telegram app, and we are going to jump into one of the chats that we are going to send this disappearing photo to. So you're going to go down to the bottom, and there is a little attachment icon. It looks like a paper clip, and we're going to tap on that, and then you are going to select the image that you would like to send. Now, in the box below, it says add a caption, and this is where you can add a caption to this photograph. And then there is a one with a little circle. Now, what I must note is that the interface on an iPhone is slightly different. So where my blue arrow icon is to send, instead of that, it'll be an arrow pointing upwards, and you will have a option that says send with timer. Now, what you will do on your iPhone is you will long press that button and you'll get these options. Over here, you can now choose to either view once 3 seconds, 10 seconds, or 30 seconds. And we're going to choose the 3 second. And here it says photo will be deleted 3 seconds after opening. And what you want to do is literally send it, and the receiver will only be able to view it for 3 seconds. Thereafter, it will be disappeared. If this was an awesome video, drop us a big old thumbs up. We will see you next time. Cheers.